Meditation for aura cleansing. Start by taking some time to find or return to your own special place of relaxation. Beginning to settle in, enjoying the comfort of this special place. I invite you to sit or lay back and relax as you begin to settle into a pleasant, relaxing, meditative mindset. Take a long, deep, cleansing breath and hold it for a second or two. Now, let the breath go, slowly releasing, and as you exhale, your breath takes away with it any worries or stress of the day, and taking another deep, slow, cleansing breath. And again, hold the breath for a second or two, holding. And now let it slowly go. And one more time, breathing in, feeling the breath take you further and further into relaxation. Holding it. And slowly let it go. The breath carrying away all the tensions, stresses, and cares of the day. Feeling yourself settling deeper into the place where you are sitting or lying. You can imagine your upper eyelids gently resting against your lower eyelids, relaxing deeply now. And you can find yourself drifting into a very deep, pleasant state of meditation. As you relax deeply now, you find the same deep, gentle relaxation arising within your body, beginning from below and rising up until you become more and more relaxed. Feel this deep relaxation rising up through your feet as you become more and more relaxed. Feel it rise up your legs to the knee and slowly up your thighs, and as it does, you become more and more relaxed. You can feel the deep relaxation now moving through your torso, chest, and shoulders, and you become more and more relaxed. It travels down your arms to the elbows, the hands, and then into the fingers, and you feel deeply relaxed. Your entire body is comfortable, heavy, and relaxed. You now sense the deep, heavy relaxation flowing through your neck, across the face and into the area of the crown, and you become more and more relaxed. And from this point, any sound you hear in the background, any noise, any disturbance, even the sound of your own breath, merely helps and guides you even deeper into this beautiful, relaxing, meditative mindset you are entering now. Remember, from this point, any sound you hear in the background, any noise, any disturbance, even the sound of your own breath, merely helps and guides you even deeper into your beautiful, relaxing, meditative mindset you are in now. Feeling the deep relaxation all throughout your body, deeply and gently cradling you in a wonderful, restful feeling of comfort and relaxation. I wonder if you might notice too, how this peaceful feeling you have within also surrounds you. It creates a field around your mind and body, your own energetic personal space, like a halo all around you. This is the field people refer to as the aura, and within this space there is complete relaxation, safety, and comfort. Everything here can be just as you wish it to be, because this is your own field, your own personal space, your own aura. And perhaps you are also becoming aware of how you feel sensations and experience thoughts in a whole new way. And you may also begin to realize how you can control the way you experience these experiences. At some point, though, there might come a time when you experience those sensations or thoughts which you find to be other than you might wish. And I wonder if you can picture how you could allow these to sink from your body, simply draining out the bottom of your feet. You can imagine how these negative influences can simply be released to drain away from you through the floor, through the ground, and down to the center of the earth, where they are recycled into good, positive, wonderful thoughts and experiences. Imagine that any thoughts and experiences which are appropriate for you, those which are positive and that are best for you, might even come back to you from above, arriving as pleasant, helpful experiences. And you also notice how your aura selects these thoughts, allowing only those which are helpful for you, because this is your field, your personal space, where you have complete control over how you think and feel. And moving even further up above your head, you may also note how, at the very top of your aura, is a wonderful source of light and energy, a beautiful, warm, healing light. Perhaps it is golden, or maybe white, or perhaps it is even some other color. I invite you to allow this light to shine on you, filling your field with wonderful warmth, comfort, relaxation, healing. You may already begin to feel this golden light filling your personal space, both within you and in the space surrounding you, cleansing it, refreshing it, and bringing a new vital energy to it. You can feel it and experience its warmth, comfort, and healing as it fills your field with an energy that empowers you. Feel it bring you the sense of confidence and strength, which you know deep inside can be and is yours. Perhaps also, as you are feeling this wonderful glow within and around you, you can also note how at the outer edge of this field, there is a special boundary of protection. This wonderful gift is one which allows you to be safe within your field. Yet within your field, you are able both to observe and to affect the world around you. While you know that you can interact with everything just as you always have, you may also note how this field prevents any negative influences or events from entering your aura. You can affect the world with your positivity, but unless you grant it permission, negativity can't reach you within your aura, and within this personal field which you carry with you everywhere. At all times, you know that you can choose to think or feel however you wish about the events that occur around you. You can affect them, but they can't change you. You are the master of your energy field, and I wonder if you can sense how safe you begin to feel with this knowledge. You may begin to feel a sense of even greater personal power as you know that everything within your field is completely within your control. You alone control how you feel about the outside world, and you have the personal power to fill your aura with light in a way that is right for you. You can bring healing through your field to any fiber of your body, any corner of your mind, any aspect of your soul, and every beat of your heart. And you can allow your field to help you become the master of all feelings you choose to experience, knowing at all times that this is your field, your own aura, your own personal space of control. I invite you now to go to a time and place where perhaps there might have been events which annoyed you. Perhaps this was a time and place where things around you were chaotic or somehow unpleasant, or perhaps it is some other circumstance. I don't know, but deep in your subconscious you know very well where and when these things that you experienced are taking place. And now you can again imagine just what that time and place is like. You can see, feel, hear, and experience this time and place again. Yet now you also know that you have your protective field around you. It is with you always. The things around you which used to annoy you, or upset you, or make you feel fearful, you are now able to simply observe. What used to bother you may now simply be events for you to note, separate from yourself. You may even think of them, just as you would an unimportant clump of dust some distance away, of less and less importance to you. You may find that you can participate in the events around you, but that now you can be free of those undesirable feelings that you used to have, but now no longer do. Because now you know that you have control over them. within your protective field. You may also see and feel how you make a wonderful, positive contribution to the world around you, perhaps even more now than you did before. And while you are a participant and contributor in the events around you, you know that you can also, again, at any time, allow any undesirable feelings, experiences, or thoughts to be released through the bottoms of your feet. Note again how they drain out through the floor and down to the center of the earth, and know again that they will be recycled into positive thoughts. And you may also note that the things that used to annoy you no longer do so. Within your field, your personal space, you do not allow these to affect you because you have the power to control your feelings here. You are in charge within this space. You also note that you have the ability to allow any undesirable feelings, thoughts, and experiences you may encounter to simply drain away, released through the bottom of your feet, to go down, down, down to the center of the earth. There they are recycled as is appropriate for you. And now you fully realize that you have the power to feel however you wish to feel about the events around you. You may begin to realize how much just knowing this can bring you an ever greater sense of well-being, even at times when you used to feel otherwise. Because you know that you alone control your thoughts and feelings. I invite you now to return to the present time and place, fully aware of your surroundings, but still deep in your meditative mindset. And you also can, if you wish, write this wonderful lesson into the depths of your subconscious, to be used as a tool, perhaps even automatically, by that part of your subconscious that experiences the influences which used to annoy you. And deep down, you know that whenever the need arises, whenever you begin to feel as if you need to recall that personal control over your own thoughts and feelings, you can understand at the deepest level how these tools are there for you, to be used at that time when you need them, now. As I begin to count to 5, you can once again find yourself emerging from your meditation, refreshed, relaxed, and aware, feeling more comfortable and better now than you may have felt for a long time. 1. Beginning to emerge from meditation just a little bit and just a little bit more. 2. And coming a little more out of meditation, feeling the air on your face, hearing the sounds around you, sensing the furnishing on which you are resting. 3. About halfway out of meditation now, bringing with you these wonderful gifts, the sense of personal power within your own field of personal space, the deep sense of having full control over your own thoughts and feelings, the knowledge, both conscious and subconscious, that you can exercise this control at any time to feel less affected by those things that used to bother you. 4. Almost out of meditation now, feeling more and more aware of your surroundings. And 5. Eyes open, refreshed, relaxed, and aware, feeling better now than you may have felt for a long, long time.